Okay, so I'll just show you the fully assisted parking on here. So over here, parking, you see, it shows you into a spot, so we'll click that. On the dash, it comes parallel parking. So that's when you go to the curb, all the cars are facing that way, the curb's on your side, and you come into a parallel position. If I click it again, that's perpendicular parking. So that reverses you in with your tailgate to the back of the parking space. That's what I'm going to try. It's just showing there perpendicular parking, searching. So I put it in drive. I move forward very slowly. There's some very small parking spaces, and we'll just see whether it picks anything up. I think this one should be big enough for the Range Rover to get in. Right, so there's an arrow, drive forward. Tell me to drive forward. So I'm going forward. Now it says stop, release wheel, select reverse, into reverse, and then we go back with an audience, but I'm just covering the brake. There we go, it's showing here. It's saying there, stop, select D, wait. As you can see, it's moving. To the amazement of all around me. So I'm going back here, he's moved, and then it's just going to straighten me up here. There we go. Perfectly back. Absolutely spot on.